Hello, future editing Swifty here. Okay, so I skipped a couple of episodes, because they weren't the quality I wanted them. So this is slightly farther ahead. Um, so just so you guys know. Anyway, let's cut to the video. Hello, everybody. My name is Swifty, and today's a very special day because we're on Honk SMP episode, I think 4. Episode 4, probably. But I was just chilling around doing villagers. It took me almost an hour to get 6 villagers with their respective traits. 3 farmers and three librarians. So this is where it all started. And then you can see the minecart track, going all the way up. We got villagers from a village over there yesterday. As we were just kind of vibing. None of us felt in the mood to record. And yeah, today I'm here with Mango. And ow. No. Oh god. This is a very embarrassing way to start out my episode.
Oh.
But yeah, I want to give you guys an update, showing you guys what I've been doing. No, not more skellies. This guy has full gold, and I just respawned. There we go, and okay, that should be everything. Okay, almost died again. That would have been stonky. Anyhow. What is this, Creeper Central? Don't explode, please. Don't explode, please. Don't explode. You exploded. Okay, anyway, I don't need this minecart anymore. And then up here, that's where... Why is he invisible? There's an invisible spider. Help.
Again?
And I didn't even set my spawn. I'm back at the villager. It's like an overrundation of monsters.
I don't think overrundation is a word. I think infestation is the word.
But I invented a new word.
Alright.
Overrundation. What did I say? Overrundation, I think?
Yeah, I think so too.
Dang. Okay, take 3. I'll vibe near this cat for a little while. Okay, that. I'm just not going to talk about how I'm just lying on the floor there. Okay, so, continuing my tour. We don't talk about these guys. We have librarian, Unbreaking 3, 33 emeralds. Farmer, potatoes, all these. Librarian, silk touch, 10 emeralds. Farmer, librarian, mending, 34 emeralds. And then a farmer, potatoes, carrots. This guy's kind of behind a little bit. Cat. Okay, let's see if both our axolotls are still alive. Yes, they are. Okay, so I think we can get more axolotls and put them in the pond. So we got Nibble. Let's put him in the pond. And now we're gonna quickly do all the rest. I'm gonna have to go in a little while. I can just sense it. I can smell it.
Nice. I just found my first diamond, so...
Oh, that's nice.
Sick. At least there's a lot of iron. But I almost have 3 stacks.
Okay, we're almost done with all the axolotls. Then we'll just pause this recording. Oh, that's the last one. Last one is drop. There we go. Okay, so we have all the axolotls in. They kind of look like they're having a seizure, but everything's fine. I lost my axolotl head, so I'm gonna need to get another one of those. Do you know if you jump up and down on these dripstone things that actually, you can actually use them as a ladder too, but... How to kill yourself quickly now. Here I am, editing this, and I did a moron. I didn't record the outro for this, so thank you guys all so much for watching this episode, episode 3. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Goodbye! And ignore the stuff in my hotbar, that's foreshadowing right there for you. Comment hashtag mossblock if you want a shout out in my next video, and you made it all the way through to this video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Take 2. Goodbye!